What is going on Facebook? I hope this is live because I'm using Be Live right now, which is this cool overlay system. And all right, I think we're good. I just want to check though. Let's see. Go ahead and leave a comment if you can hear me. I know there's going to be a delay. Just want to make sure everything is good to go. I'm really excited right now because I am cool. There it is. So I'm really excited right now because there is something that we are doing right now, and that is the pre-launch for LeadWeb. I know I haven't been, too. Hey, what's going on, Ken? Oh, there's no sound. I don't know. I'm pretty sure there should be sound. I hear myself. Oh, okay. You're messing with me, bro. All right, cool. So basically, we're doing the pre-launch of LeadWeb, and just to kind of give everyone a little high-level overview of exactly what LeadWeb is. So if you can imagine, if anyone's ever ran Facebook ads before, and you've tried to pull the lead, and you try to pull the lead forms out of Facebook, you have to go into the manager, you have to go into the campaigns, then you have to go into the actual ad, download every time there's a lead that comes through. And it's really annoying, especially if you're running multiple ad clients and so on and so forth, right? So basically, we've created something that actually pulls leads not only from Facebook, but from LinkedIn, Snapchat, not Netflix, Builderall, you name it, right? And it pulls all those leads into a single sign-on platform. And you have the option of having them qualified through either the chatbot or the text bot that we include with the service, which is really cool. So for example, if you're a realtor, right, and you want to run Facebook ads and you want to get buyer leads. So basically you would run a lead, or you'd run the ad, and when the lead pops in, it would ask them the questions on either the chat bot on Facebook or the text message bot, right? However you set it up. And it'll ask them questions like, what kind of house are you looking? What area? Are you pre-qualified? Oh, you're not pre-qualified? Well, let me send you to my lender so they can get you pre-qualified first, and then we can set up a follow-up call. And so it pre-qualifies these leads for you as they come in, so that way you can focus on what you do best, which is selling real estate or selling solar or selling, replacing roofs or repairing cell phones, right? And it really just handles the dirty work, if you will, on the entire thing. So, we're going to be having analytics. We have a map that actually drops a pin on the map of where every single lead comes in at. So you can see, even though on Facebook you can drop a pin and you can, do a 20-mile radius or whatever, you can actually drop a pin, or it will automatically drop a pin on where that lead comes from, or at least that area. So you can see like, okay, well, this side of town's working better than this side of town. Maybe I should focus on this side of town, right? And just go from there. We're also going to have the CSV download feature. So basically, when you click or you go on your desktop and you have 200 leads, right, and you want to download them directly from there, and it's coming from LinkedIn, it's coming from Facebook, so you don't have to piece together two different CSV files. This is going to actually do that for you, and you can actually put it into an Excel format, use it for retargeting, whatever you want to do. The next cool part that we have is the lead notification. So as a lot of you may know or may not know, when people are going on the internet, you got to contact them within 10 to 15 minutes. Otherwise, they're going to completely forget about whatever they just did, right? And so when that person opts into the lead, that's worth something, right? So when that lead comes in, it goes directly to your phone in real time. So that way you can call, email, or text them right then and there on the spot. You can see whether they're qualified or not. You can see the whole entire conversation on there. and go from there and really contact them. And it'll send you notifications, reminders saying, hey, contact this lead, contact this lead. It's been 30 minutes, it's been 60 minutes, it's been an hour, it's been 24 hours, whatever the time period may be, right? And we're adding in a bunch of other stuff too that's really going to make this thing just knocked out of the park. Just super, super valuable to have whenever you're doing sales, marketing, advertising, whatever you want to call it, right? And we have 3 packages that we're offering for the pre-launch. The first one is for the solopreneur, which if they just want the basic features, it includes everything except for the chatbot and the pin drop on the map of where the actual the pin drop on the map where the lead comes from. So those are the only 3 things that it does not include. So you get everything else, and that's $24 a month for the pre-launch pricing. For the premium, which includes the text bot, it includes the chat bot, it includes the live mapping, right? That's $70 a month, and it includes all of that. The agency model is something really cool. So we priced it at $99 a month. You can put however many clients you want to on that particular program, right? Let's say you have 20 different clients that you want to put on there. You can put all of them on there. Some of them are going to want the chatbot. Some are not going to want the chatbot, right? And you can either, pick and choose, and you can add the chatbot in there for an additional cost, or you don't have to. It's completely up to you. Most people would probably bill it into their client's bill anyways. So, like I said, it's just super affordable for the agency, for the solopreneur, for the business owner that's a little bit more advanced. Whatever you want to do, it's there, right? And for the pre-launch, what we're doing is if you buy the first month, you get the second month free. So that way you're not losing anything. And hey, Nick, what's going on, man? So basically we're launching the app in about 4 to 5 weeks, the full version, right? And everyone that comes on now will obviously get early access before anyone else does. And you also get grandfathered into the discounted rate as well. So that way you're not losing any time, and you still get that benefit of getting early access on everything and the pricing on everything. So what I want to do is just open this up for questions. I know there's going to be some questions on some things, and I'm here to take them. And I know there's a little bit of a delay also, and you can actually go to the website here to check a lot of that stuff out. But I'm just checking here to see if there's any questions that anyone has. Let's see. All right. I'm just going to give it a few minutes. But I'm really excited for this because I think it's a problem that a lot of business owners are having, and the solution just really opens up time on their calendar and just gives them the peace of mind that everything's at the touch of a button. All the analytics are going to be there. How the average time it takes for you to call someone, what percentage are being qualified, what percentage are not being qualified. And it's just going to go over every single thing from an analytics perspective to show you all of that. And like I said, I mean, this is going to be the reason why you land clients. This is going to be the reason why, if you're not an agency and you're using this for your own business, why you're just going to excel and scale your business out, because you're going to be getting more clients. You're going to be answering them faster, increasing your revenue, increasing customer service. And that's just going to, just multiply over time. Right. And basically the sales tool is just going to, like I said, do all the dirty work for you. And for the pre-launch, like I said, you can just go to that website down below right here, leadwebapp.com, and check it out. And like I said, you can pick whichever one works best for you. You can share this live stream to someone if you feel that they would have, a need for this. We're going to be doing a ton of advertising, moving forward. We're probably going to be advertising a ton of different things, a lot of influencers we're going to bring on board, and it's just going to be exciting how quick this thing will take off. And I'm just excited to be sharing this with everyone on my network. But with that being said, it doesn't seem like there's too many questions. If you think of them, drop them down in the comment section below. Feel free to reach out to me via Facebook Messenger. Like I said, just excited to bring this to the market and see how everything goes. But other than that, I hope everyone has an awesome day, and you'll be seeing more and hearing more in the next upcoming weeks. All right, talk to you soon.